In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create task lists in Glide so you can easily organize and manage projects. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Glide website. Once you're there, click the Login button to access your dashboard. Now, open the specific app you want to edit. You'll want to look at the left side navigation panel. Click on the .add button in the navigation. From the options that appear, choose Tasks. This will automatically add a new task list screen to your app. Now, select the newly added tasks screen. In the right sidebar, you'll see various layout styles you can choose from. You can opt for a list, cards, tiles, or any other available layout. Pick the one that best suits your workflow and how you want your tasks to be presented. Next, review the data source connected to this task list. Make sure the correct table is selected, and then verify that your table contains all the necessary task-related information. Common and helpful columns to include are task name, status, priority, due date, and assigned to. After setting up your data source, preview the task list to see how your tasks are displayed. You'll want to configure the title field by selecting the task name column. Then, for the description field, you can choose a column like status or due date. If your tasks include icons or images, you can also add an image field. Now click on a task item to review its details screen. You can customize this details layout if needed. In the left sidebar, click Add Component, scroll down, and add a button component. In the right sidebar, you can configure the button's action. Common actions include Mark as Complete, Edit Screen, Show Form, or Navigate to Screen. Customize the button's label to make it clear what the button does. Test this button to ensure it works correctly. Return to your task list and open several tasks to confirm all information displays as expected. Take a moment to review the overall layout and make any final adjustments. Check that dates, statuses, and your newly added actions are all working as expected. When everything looks good, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Once published, open your app and perform a final test. Your Glide app now includes a task list that will help users organize, track, and manage their work efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.